Are you ready to I show you what is inside desktop computer? Let's do it. This is some old desktop computer, and after that I will show you what is in a new one. Here is components like a fan, and inside you have, if you see, this is a motherboard over there, and here is power supply. Also, you have a hard disk over there, one, and small SSD is over there. Here is memory RAM. Okay, memory RAM, graphic card. This is old computer I show you. This is music card, and here you have a fan, and below is CPU, and a lot of cables. Okay, the most important when you edit some video clips and something like that, the best is to make components like a gamer, and to have the best motherboard, the best CPU, the best power supply, also graphic card, and hard disk, memory RAM, also the very fast memory RAM. If you buy, that is great. And once again, that is old computer, and in next video I will show you new components. This is old my computer, and I would like to tell you that now I live in a flat, and if you live and work on off-grid, on solar systems, the best is to have a laptop, because this computer spent around 2000 no 200 watts, and it is a lot, because on a laptop have almost 45 watts or to 100 watts, and that is good, because spent less energy. Thank you so much, guys. Watch all my videos, because I created videos like with energy, heating technique, and I am electrician, and also I know to clean air conditioner, and next video will be how to clean my air conditioner. I don't to open all things, but I will tell you everything what is good to clean it, and I will recommend what to do, you or some guy who clean your air conditioner. Also, I like green energy, and I like heating without bills. That is possible, and if you have collectors, and I would like to create one that is something like from cans of beer. Mm, yes, can of beer, and 20 cans of beer you can how to say make, and I will show you one more time how to do it. I don't know how to say it now. If some my video don't have English language, just turn on subtitles, and I do a lot of things to this channel grow up, and I put a lot of energy to create these videos. I would like to record every day videos, and to improve English language. That is my goal, and because of that, stay tuned, and try to learn from me. Thank you so much, because you watch me, and my English is not good, but you can put you can put much faster to watch on YouTube. When you play a video, you can go to, how to say, settings, and faster production to put. It's not normal just to put on 2, or I don't know. Once again, what is inside computer? Motherboard. This is green. That is like a body. CPU is like a heart. RAM memory is like a brain, and also you have SSD like a brain, but that is memory storage, and this is memory, thinking memory. Also you have a power supply over there, that is power this is electric currency come here and put electricity in every part of computer. When your computer doesn't how to say, doesn't start up, or to start, not working, first you try to change your display, like monitor, and after that you will see is it doesn't work monitor, or this one, power supply. After that power supply, you can check a lot of things, like graphic card, and here where is ports, you can unplug and plug your monitor and something like that. Also after that, try to change this RAM memory, and a lot of times computers doesn't work because dust. Dust is the most dangerous for computers and components, like dust and some water. And okay, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be better and better every day. Thank you so much. Bye.